Compatible for Ford E150, E250, E350 vans 1992 to 2014. Length. Long cable 19.3 in. Short cable 14.6 in. Note. This only fits the passenger side, cargo door, closest to the front. These cables are for operating the inner door handle, long cable, center latch to lower latch, and short cable, door handle to center latch. Top reviews from the United States. I love saving money. Pretty easy to install after watching several YouTube videos. Takes a little more ingenuity and some good bicycle-type wire cutters, but not too serious. I will suggest that if the rear door suddenly stops working, go ahead and order the top and bottom cable set for both sides and do it all at one time. My truck is almost 20 years old, it is just a little more effort to replace both, and the good one was showing signs of distress. I looked at just the replacement metal ferrule and thought if the original lasted 20 years I would just as soon have all new cable and housing. Hopefully either my truck or I will be dead before I need to replace it again.